Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Every day the market has been volatile since the February series started, and today it was remarkably stable in the morning. Especially the Nifty was very stable in the morning, but afternoon the sell-off and Nifty fell more than 250 points from intraday high to intraday low. And 250 point either up or down from intraday low to high or high to low, it has become a very common thing nowadays. In the morning, it was only the Nifty that was stable, but Bank Nifty was too volatile. And how many times Bank Nifty broke 46,000 on the downside? I'm talking about Bank Nifty future, not the spot. It broke 46,000 in the morning, then went up to 46,300, 46,295 precisely, then came and broke 46,000, again shot up to 46,350, again came. So more than 300 point swing, and it has happened 5-6 times today. So that is the kind of volatility. And I really do not know what makes this market so volatile. And Nifty, probably the people are, taking the 42, the 22, 125 as the double top, when the market goes higher, people are shorting. And our markets, it was a very totally disappointing trading day given the global cues. However, there was some news, Chinese mid-cap index has fallen 7-8% today morning, and on a closing basis, it was down by 6%. But Chinese market has never been doing well for the last 15 years. So why to talk about today? But European markets were okay, US futures were okay, but our market is coming under a huge selling pressure. And today, all index heavyweights fell. And yesterday, the government of India increased the tax, that is windfall tax for petroleum products. So, but despite that, Reliance was positive at some point of time, but later it started falling. So the Reliance has fallen, State Bank has fallen, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank has fallen because they were down in US on Friday. So if HDFC Bank falls, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, State Bank falls, Reliance falling, then TCS was the only shining star in the morning that shot up 50-60 rupees. But towards the end, that also fell. So that also came to negative territory. So Infosys fell, TCS fell, L&T fell. So like these are all the index heavyweights, maybe top 10, 15 stocks in Nifty, and everything is falling. How the market can recover? So totally, it is a very difficult day. I would say disappointing day. In the morning, 2 or 3 times markets were trying to move higher, but every up move is being sold into. And finally, after 2 p.m., so it kept on, for a free fall, we can say. So let us see where market opens tomorrow. But the hope is going down day by day for the bulls. So if the markets fall significantly from here, then it will confirm the double top at 22,125. That is why the market, should recover from here, and it may not cross 22,125, but at least it should close above 22,000 in the next few trading sessions. So today there are many disappointing things. One, all indices fell. IT fell, banking fell, and Reliance fell. That's one. Second disappointing thing is that Nifty decisively closed below 21,835, the earlier high. On Friday, it closed slightly higher, but today's fall, it has closed decisively below that. So that's a second disappointment. So technically, this is not really very good. But however, during choppy market, during high volatile market, things can happen anytime, anything. So markets can quickly recover tomorrow also. So that's also possible, or further falling is also possible. So clearly, this is the period. It's really markets are totally unpredictable and difficult to take a call in options. And I think the best trade nowadays is to keep away from the markets or do with a very little volume so that you have enough firepower to adjust your positions. Even adjusting is becoming very difficult. And today, Bajaj Finance, after opening higher, even from today's intraday high, it has fallen nearly 250 rupees. So some of the stocks are falling like anything after the results. So we will see. FII data is still not out, and so usually if FII data coming very late, most probably the data may be very bad. So anyway, let us not speculate on that. So right now we will focus on US market. So US markets are uh, trading slightly lower, but that is expected because the US markets are trading closer to all-time high. In fact, only on Friday, S&P 500 made a fresh all-time high. So we will wait for some more data. We will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.